In OrCAD X Capture, users can manage their design and library CAD files by creating, adding, and sharing projects within on-cloud workspaces. The data synced with your on-cloud account is accessible via the File Manager. Click the File Manager icon to launch it. The File Manager displays both CAD data and projects within the Projects folder in your local workspace, as well as all the shared workspaces that you have access to. The on-cloud data is also locally cached on your system. You can right-click on a file or folder and select Show in File Browser to view the data locally. Any content added to this location will be synced with your on-cloud account. Now, let's switch back to OrCAD X Capture. Create a new symbol library in the local location. Add a new symbol to it, and save both the symbol and the symbol file. Once the File Manager refreshes, you will see the newly created symbol file appear. Users can also add content directly to the File Manager by dragging and dropping files into the appropriate target folder. In this case, select the PSpice Models folder and drag and drop multiple PSpice model files from your local disk into the File Manager UI. Once the File Manager refreshes, you will see these uploaded files synchronized with your on-cloud account. To view the projects in your on-cloud local workspace, click on the Projects folder to see all the projects added or created in the local workspace. To create a new project directly in the local workspace, click the Add New button and select Project from the menu to open the New Project Creation dialog. Enter a project name, ensure the Use Workspace checkbox is selected, and click OK. This will create a new project in your local workspace and open it in OrCAD X Capture. Once the File Manager refreshes, you will see the new project listed in the Projects folder. To add an existing project from your local disk to My Workspace, first, open the project in OrCAD X Capture. Then, select the DSN node from the Project Manager tree, right-click, and choose Add to Workspace. The project that is open in the current session of Capture will be copied to your local workspace and will appear in the File Manager. To upload projects or directories in bulk, click the Add New button and select Upload Folder from the menu. This will open the Browse Folder dialog. Select the parent folder that contains all the projects you wish to upload and click OK. Once the File Manager refreshes, you will see all the uploaded and synchronized projects appear in the File Manager. To publish a file or project to a shared workspace, select the Project folder, right-click, and choose Publish. This action will open the Publish dialog. In the dialog, specify the following: target workspace, revision, tags, and comments. In the Grid section of the Publish dialog, you will see all the files to be published along with the project directory. This section also provides a summary of the operation and the lock status of the project files in relation to the target workspace. If needed, you can select or deselect specific files or directories for publication using the checkboxes. Once you've made your selections, click Publish to complete the process. Once published, you will see the content in the shared workspaces with the tags and comments specified in the Publish dialog. To edit a project or file present in the shared workspaces, select the project file, right-click, and choose Edit from the menu. This will open the Edit dialog. which displays details about the object being edited, its status, and its relationship to the local workspace. Click OK to copy the content to your local workspace and begin modifying or editing it. When a user edits an object from a shared workspace, the object becomes locked by that user, and this lock status is visible in the shared workspace. To release the lock, publish the content back to the shared workspace from your local workspace. Additionally, from the shared workspace, you can retrieve and edit older revisions of projects or files from the History section. Simply select the desired project revision and click Edit to modify the revision of the existing shared project or file. We hope you've gained insight in how OrCAD X Capture excels in data management. Thanks for watching.